welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do for you courgette bites with tomato and mozzarella cheese. So that's my courgette, tomato and my mozzarella cheese, and I'll be using some fresh parsley as to make my sauce for the courgette bites.
It's a place I love to be. It's all to cooking. It's a place I love to go. We're tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's all to cooking. Oh, it's cooking. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to go. Cooking delicious meal from around the world. Refreshing drinks, soothing feast, plantain and delightful smoothies. And this and more. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to be. It's all to cooking. It's a place I love to go. We're tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's all to cooking. Oh, it's cooking. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you.
Anne's Cooking and More, cooking tasty and delicious recipes from around the world. Whether Jamaican, Nigerian, vegan, or vegetarian, you will be sure to find it on Anne's Cooking and More YouTube channel.
Oh, it's cooking. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you.
Now it's time to plate our mozzarella cheese bites. So there goes your mozzarella courgette bites starter recipe. Hope you enjoy this video as I enjoy making it for you. Don't mind that some of them is not grilled. We have 1, 2, 3 grilled and 1, 2, 3 ungrilled. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So let's have the taste of this yummy, delicious starter. Get the sauce on it first. I think what I should do is just put the whole thing in my mouth. That is yummy. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
24/7. We're ready for you.